Class is dismissed. But before you go, today we'll be having a fire drill tomorrow. I hate fire drills. They hurt my ears. I am sorry, Junior, but we need to have fire drills so in case there's real fire, so we can keep our students safe. I do not want to do this crappy fire drill tomorrow. I just want to cancel it for good. Somebody gives me an idea. I will break the school fire alarms. Ha 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 ha. I'll do this at 1 a.m. And I'll also bring a hammer and some bag of rocks. Now, I'm here. No one's here. Not even the security cameras watching me. Time to do what I must do. Yes, I did it. I no more stupid fire alarms. Now we need to get the heck out of here before they find me. Yay, I broke the stupid school fire alarms. Now I will no more fire alarms ever again. Junior, please report to my office immediately. Junior, do you know what I found on the security camera? No. Okay, let me go. Let's see. No one's here. Not even the security camera's watching me. Time to do what I must do. Can you explain this? No. You broke the school alarms. You are expelled. Go home right now, and you're no longer here in the military tasking a military school again. Get out now! I don't want to see you ever again. Oh my God! Junior, I can't believe you broke the fire alarms. Why did you do that? Because I'm scared of fire drills. Well, Junior, you have to do the fire drills just in case there's a real fire, so you can keep your classmates safe. You're grounded for 50 years, and you're going to jail. No, I don't want to go to jail. Too bad. The cops are on their way. Let's go to jail. Yes, there he is gone. What should we do now? How about we make grounding videos out of him? Good idea.